Picture this, the sun's warm embrace painting the sky in shades of gold, showering our world with an astonishing 173,000 terawatts of energy. Now, before you dismiss that as just a number, consider this, it's 10,000 times more energy than what the entire human population uses. Intriguing, isn't it? Well, get ready to dive into the realm of possibilities. Could the sun's generosity be the foundation of a future where our world runs entirely on solar power? Brace yourselves for a journey into the heart of solar magic. Consider solar cells as the dazzling gems of our energy system, each one holding a secret power. Imagine them as tiny wizards, harnessing the sun's rays and turning them into a symphony of electricity. Now, let's dive deeper into this enchanting science. Think of solar cells as puzzle pieces. Each made from crystalline silicon, a semiconductor with the power of transformation. These pieces join forces, like an assembly of alchemists, capturing sunlight's essence and conjuring a spell of energy. Crystalline silicon is like a dance floor, where electrons twirl in perfect steps, held together by strong bonds. But wait, there's a twist in the dance. Two types of silicon meet, creating an electrifying tango. Electrons and holes, partners in this cosmic dance, move in harmony, creating a delicate balance of charges. And here's where the real magic unfolds. Imagine sunlight as a key, unlocking the dance floor. When a photon, a tiny sun particle, strikes the silicon cell, it sets off a chain reaction. An electron leaps off its bond, leaving a hole in its place. Now, the dance floor becomes electric, as the electron and hole take center stage. But just like star-crossed lovers, they can't stay together. They move in opposite directions, creating a flow of charges. The electron rushes to the N side, while the hole heads to the P side. It's a celestial tango, guided by the electric field. Now, picture this, solar panels are more than meets the eye. They're like a secret band, each member playing a unique part in a dazzling performance. Imagine them as stars in a cosmic symphony, twinkling under the sun's spotlight. But here's the kicker, these stars aren't just for show. They're energy magicians, wielding electrons like spells to power up our lives. Think of solar panels as puzzle pieces, fitting together to create an electrifying masterpiece. Every panel is a master, bringing its harmony to the overall composition. Just a handful of these masters can bring a cell phone to life, while a group of panels light up an entire home, dancing to the rhythm of the sun. Alright folks, let's strap in for the roller coaster ride of challenges that comes with this sun-powered adventure. Imagine our planet as a gigantic puzzle, with solar energy as the ultimate piece. But hold on, Mother Nature isn't exactly a puzzle enthusiast. She enjoys picking favorites when it comes to sunshine distribution. Some spots get the VIP treatment, while others are left to fight for themselves. What is the game plan for this energy Grand Prix? Consider racing Formula 1 cars down energy transmission highways on a sunlit speedway. From sun-drenched regions to cloudy corners, the power flows seamlessly, defying even the trickiest hairpin turns. And let's not forget the art of bottling starlight for a rainy day. Think of it as a cosmic stash, a reservoir of sunlight ready to swoop in when the clouds roll in. Now, not every photon hits the bullseye. Some are like playful escape artists, bouncing off the scene before they can do their energy dance. But fear not, our solar superheroes are on the case. They swoop in, catching those wayward photons, ensuring that every bit of energy is harnessed to its fullest potential. But hold on to your lab goggles, because this is where the story takes a thrilling twist. Imagine scientists as the maestros of an energy orchestra, wielding their knowledge to compose a symphony of progress. Break out the confetti cannons, because technological breakthroughs have torn through the efficiency ceiling. Like a rock star through a guitar solo. Prepare to be amazed, today's solar cells can convert 46% of sunlight into electricity. A feat that is history scratching its head. And, while commercial systems don't have their own theme song, they do rock with an astonishing 15 to 20% efficiency. Now, let your imagination go wild as we envision these cells evolving into energy maestros. Picture them capturing nearly half of the sun's energy, jamming together in a crescendo of power. It's like they're gearing up for a sold-out stadium show, belting out energy hits that light up our world. Yet, despite challenges, the sun's potential shines brighter than ever. Building the future requires vision and space. with estimations covering large areas of land. Surprisingly, the Sahara Desert alone covers over 3 million square miles. Innovation fuels this journey. Imagine solar farms that float, capturing sunlight's reflection off serene waters. Tomorrow's energy landscape might be a work of art. The scene of futuristic cityscapes adorned with solar panels represents the integration of solar energy into urban environments. This signifies the idea that solar panels can become an integral part of our cities, contributing to both energy generation and sustainability. The mention of vision and space refers to the need for forward thinking and planning as we expand the use of solar energy. Estimates of vast landscapes highlight the immense potential areas for solar installations, including regions like the Sahara Desert, which has an enormous land area that could be utilized for solar farms. As we explore, let's remember those in the shadows. A billion lives without reliable electricity. Consider a solar-powered dawn for them, a cleaner, safer alternative to miserable and unhealthy choices like kerosene. Many rural and remote regions around the world, particularly in developing countries, lack access to a dependable electric grid. As a result, these communities often resort to using kerosene lamps and other outdated, polluting sources for lighting and energy, which can have negative health and environmental consequences. Solar energy has the potential to uplift these underserved communities by providing them with a reliable and sustainable source of energy. Solar power can light up homes, power essential devices, and even support community facilities like schools and health centers. So, as the sun rises, painting the sky anew, could its energy be the key to a brighter future? The answer lies within the very fabric of the universe. The sun's unwavering embrace, offering us the potential to light up our world in ways we could never have imagined. So dear audience, as we conclude our journey through the power of the sun, I leave you with a question. Could the sun's energy be the guiding light for our future? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And remember, while challenges remain, the sun's symphony plays on, inspiring us to reach for the stars.